Wagwan family.
What's up, man?
See ya. And we again. So here we happen. We know earlier on we do a live. I was say boy, I do a Valentine thing, but we don't really celebrate Valentine at all. That was just a slip up on my tongue. You see what I say? We just do it every day of Valentine, so that's how we run our thing. You see me?
But here we go on. It's all who believe in a Valentine and do their Valentine.
Do the thing.
No love to us.
Yeah, man.
See me I say? No respect for that. See you.
So here we are. We know we in the kitchen.
Yeah.
You see me?
Tell me say we are going in the kitchen now. We in there now.
Yeah, man. So we look at ingredients and stuff we have about the place, and we are going to deal with dinner, you know. We have a appetizer, we have a 3 course, you know. Appetizer, main course, that's what we call it.
Yeah, man, main course. Man.
Yeah, and the dessert after.
Yeah.
You see me? Dessert. Yeah. We're going to do the Jamaican way, you see me?
Real.
So we're ready for it.
Alright, here we are going now. Here we are going with this. We know so they're going to look for certain type of foods to them. You see what I say? We have a surprise to them with that one. You see what I say? Because they're going to look for oxtail. We have oxtail.
Curry goat. I call that we fancy.
Yeah. Probably they're going to look for snapper. We have snapper sale we have, man. Trust me. Here we are going now. Here we are look after. This. Look on this. Steak.
Yeah.
Steak.
The canned steak.
Canned steak.
Look over here for them. You didn't know what it is? Snapper in a can.
Alright. So you see we have it locked.
Snapper in a can.
We have it locked.
On the
You see what I
steak.
say?
You see what?
T-bone steak, but we take out the bone all the time. You see what I say?
Yeah.
I know peel away. Don't know so we have to have the right flour. Cook some flour.
Yeah. And we're going to drop a little caramel like it. You see me?
Don't know
Yeah,
so you have
man.
to have a little caramel like. So we'll deal with the thing still. But just watch and see what I go on.
Alright.
Yeah.
First things first, chef.
Alright.
I have to wash your hands.
Yeah,
you know, cleanliness is next to godliness. In our kitchen, we do our thing proper. You see what I say?
I believe in love. I believe in unity. I believe in friendship. I believe in you and me. No matter what the color of your skin may be, I believe in us. I believe in us. I believe in us.
Man, I have to clean. Now the music I play. We have a bowl, a drink, and our Guinness. You see me?
I do a thing, man.
Yeah, man.
If you have the vibes today, you can't just see what I say?
Yeah, that's a man. That's a real man.
So I go straight tonight now. No hesitation.
So tell me, you need the flour,
Yeah, what do you do the flour?
and we'll make it.
Alright,
In the meantime,
meantime,
we'll make a little appetizer broth. So some people will call it broth.
appetizer.
Yeah, man. So we have here for the broth and some cock soup and some pumpkin flavor soup.
Love the selection.
Yeah, man. Yeah. So what we need is a little pot.
Yo, man, one day think I eat off small flour, you know, man. I better eat off, you know, man.
Well, I'm going to eat it,
Yeah, I better eat off. I mean, heavy when I deal with the flour thing, you know. And heavy.
Master chef thing right here. Yeah, man.
Don't know, say you have to have a caramel. I don't want to buy up nobody still. You see what I'm saying?
That like a caramel like that.
Yeah.
Right, see me?
Alright. That I go on, you have to have a salt, you know. Give it a nice taste.
Oh, that's flour that you're making. I can feel a village.
They have to go eat off it, you know. That they have to learn. They have to go eat off it. So where do you go and deal with that?
Yeah.
Eat time.
So we have to make water go on hot. And then, you know, And then, yeah.
Yeah, man.
See that? Man, I turn that up. We can't be still, you know. I'm going to cut up some seasoning.
Alright.
For the beef and thing. You see what I say?
Yeah, because you know the T-bone there wait.
Yeah, man.
And the red snapper.
We got tomato. Come on the side and deal with the little thing. Man, I cut you there.
Come on, do your thing, man.
2 tomato. 1 piece steak. 1 piece snapper.
You don't really want to
No,
fry the
chef.
flowers to it, but I take my time. What going?
You want that one and your one?
Yeah, man, one all over there, man.
Alright.
I'm a debone the steak already still, you know.
Yeah,
I
man.
don't know.
2 onions. You want skeleton in your one too?
Yeah, man, skeleton too, man.
Alright.
The whole works. You see what I'm saying? Yeah, all out there.
The thing have to do on plate, you see what I'm saying? What skeleton you want?
We want the whole bag in a matter.
You have a thyme. You have a scallion.
It's a surprise to them, man. And go on for the roast, you don't know. You see what I'm saying?
You have a garlic.
What do you think we should do? Make the flour tight?
But you still don't want to bind them up, you know. You don't want to make it too tight, you see me?
Alright.
Yeah. But you know for your thing, man. You know,
Yeah.
very sorry. Have a garlic.
That's what I'm talking about, man.
So what's that? See it? Yeah, man.
That's what I'm talking about, man.
Yeah, top chef thing.
Yeah.
You know when you have a sharp up a knife and, you know, just slice through your tomato and you know, you kind of want to, you see, you swing the knife is sharp. What happens is that when you cut through the tomato and all everything mashed up, you know? So we use a knife and cut up some like a small thing, but at the same time, you need a chopper. Okay? You know? You see what I'm saying?
Alright, come on, you know.
You have from the chopper.
Professional grade. That's what I'm talking about,
Yeah.
That's what I'm talking about.
Yeah, someone in my food are good. Yeah, man. So, yeah, we have to wash everything in the man. We have to play in the man. We wash everything. I know when them things like store people come and them take up and yeah, you don't talk about everybody can feel up and limited market. I see I didn't think they were trying, you know, we don't know anything. So we have to wash the thing, you see me I say?
And some people come by, you know,
Yeah.
be a feel and feel.
Be a feel
Now,
and
you know,
feel
some
about
people
that.
like this one little bit.
People are vexed. When they gone, people are vexed, man. Just go feel that I sit there, man, buying nothing.
So we have to avoid the feel up.
See me? Yeah, kind of weird. Take this out. So that's look more room, see me? The water boil up in a chef.
Yeah, man.
Ready
Things
for
flour
flour.
ready, man. Yeah. Flour ready, you know.
Slice that for me.
I will have it juicy, I will make it juicy. It's thing official, you know, man. I see what I'm going, you know. I see what I'm going.
I'm going to rest on do like to put on a suit in a short thing. You know where the
It's so that a joke thing. You see what I say?
professional thing, you see me?
So, man, everything good by your side there.
Yeah, man. Good man. You want to make it flour now?
Yeah, you know, say make good flour though. But that's why you really make the flour mix with them, man.
You have to deal with this way now. One go and cut up the season in the meantime. You all want to leave the season?
Yeah.
Alright, you deal with the flour.
Yeah, man, you ready?
Good. One hour and we're talking about vanilla. 1 hour and
Yeah. You know, so they will have a wonderful time when they come back.
before you return.
Yeah.
Water boil for bread. Water boil for bread. Now, where you go? You want to put that in there?
Alright, you are going now. What you do?
Just let the season for now. I deal with the bread. You see me? I'm going to make the flour in the meantime. I remember say I deal with the steak and the snapper after last. You see me?
Yeah.
I'm going to deal with the bread. I'm going to make the flour and put it in the pot. So and then everybody can make flour, you know? You have to know if you roll them up. You know if you roll them up. And when you get them nice and round. Yeah. Some of you do my thing, but I know some people do it. Everybody do
Can't
anything
feel
different.
it for making make sure.
Can't feel the what? Alright.
Can't feel one.
Can't feel the one, can't feel
You
the
know,
shot.
you know that chocolate love can't feel.
I'm going to be a special one for chocolate.
Yeah, man.
Nice.
Can't
Nice and big. Yeah. Vanilla, you have vanilla love. Should have cartwheel then?
Yeah, man.
Alright, cartwheel is this. Cartwheel right round, right across the table. See this? Yeah. Perfect. Chocolate, are you that? Vanilla, are you this? You want to run both it, man, and you have to make it flour. Yeah, there's a you know you want to make it flour, you know. And I tell you, you know, when you run both now, whole heap of dumplings, you know.
That's true, man.
Yeah, man. I say, you want me chop up the chicken box there. You see flour bar, man.
Yeah,
How
man.
much flour, man? Yeah, man. And then some people are cook, man, and they look at the kitchen, man, flour and everything splash all over the place to learn that. Just, yeah. When you're in the kitchen, they come like you want to eat. You have to make a food to right.
Yeah.
I'll be to reggae now because we do things, but you know what I'm saying? Later on in chocolate and vanilla. On the table.
My little friend.
Here love tune. People, say you have now. The dumpling almost done. Alright, yeah, that's it. Flour done.
Yeah, can't feel the flour.
Yeah. So, gonna deal with the steak and the snapper, you know.
T-bone steak.
I treat snapper, I'll probably the tray.
Red snapper. AKA Dirty Girl.
Yeah, man.
Or King Boom.
See him, sir.
Same song.
Alright. I got T-bone steak, aka Gilbert.
Alright. Yeah.
Yeah, man. So we have a gizzard. I know people around so we can make anything, you know, but we can cook and we can bake. And we have another little surprise.
Yeah.
But this, you know, check this out. I bring back chocolate to our childhood. You know what it is? Tambourine ball. Yeah, man, we're going to the farmer's market with some tambourine now. We buy them and say, yo, we'll roll up some tambourine ball for them. Yeah, man. That's a part of the dessert.
For real.
You see what I say?
The dessert boss, that's true.
Yeah,
That's true.
man. And guess what we have to?
One more
It's
surprise
alright.
again.
Plum, rum and raisin ice cream. For the side.
Straight out.
Yeah, man.
Straight.
No man raise ice cream on them. Alright? You know them gonna love that. Yeah, man, we call vanilla cars. Start with the phone.
Time this and the moment of truth arriving.
Take forever to go through. Hey!
Hello?
Hey, wow!
Nothing?
What are they?
Hello?
So we're ready for you now.
Ready?
Yeah, we're ready for them, man.
Are you ready, bro?
Yeah, your surprise is ready. Just waiting for you guys.
Did you keep my phone?
Phone? Yeah, man, she left her phone. She there.
Okay, because we don't look for it in the truck and couldn't find it, so I wanted to make sure she leave it over there.
Oh, no, man, you don't talk to her. I left her phone, man. But it's safe, man. Tell her I said safe.
Alright, let's make her know.
Yeah, so.
We can come now.
Yeah, man, tell her so we can come now.
Alright.
Alright?
Alright, don't come.
Yeah, man. Alright, cool.
Alright.
Yeah.
Yeah. Bye.
Beautiful.
What do you think?
You guys
That
did
is
this
so,
for us.
that's so cute.
Nice.
Yep.
That's what we do.
That's how we do it.
That's what we do. So, ladies, this is what you gotta do.
What?
This is the love notes. You both have your name on it. Both of them, there's two, one for each. So look for one that says chocolate and you look for one that says vanilla.
Alright.
And you can just take it up and read it.
Alright,
Yeah.
let's do it.
And
Take off your shoes.
don't take a little love note to Carl anyway.
That's a vanilla
Hey.
and this chocolate. So let's see. Me for read it out?
Yeah.
Read it out aloud.
Read it out
What you
loud.
doing? What you doing with my phone?
You don't left it.
What you doing with my phone?
Well, you left it that way, I hijack it.
Oh my
Oh
god.
my gosh.
Why you know so? You sure you want me to read it?
Yeah, man, read it like.
Fall in the ocean, fall in the sea, but the greatest fall is when you fall in love with me.
Oh, that's so sweet.
You quit it.
That's me.
Birds of a feather flock together, stamp on letters, stick together, but you and me, baby, were meant forever.
Real talk. Real talk.
Okay, come along, ladies. Come along.
This on me? Okay. One.
Kisses from England, kisses from Spain. I love you till I can't explain.
Oh, well, if I
Kisses
know that-
from England, kisses from Spain.
I love you till I can't
Oh, well,
explain.
if I love that, did I?
Apples grow in America, peaches grow there too, but it takes a place like Jamaica to produce a queen like you.
Only Jamaica.
Come along.
Only Jamaica.
Okay. That's yours.
Yep.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
You see that?
Who the hell did that for you?
No way.
Who did that
No
for
way.
you?
Who'd you hire?
Yo, you think you ask someone to come in? No, we did.
That is
Yes,
so
that is all
nice.
That is all us.
Oh my God! So all the time you were taking notes when I decorate.
I learned from the best.
Oh my God! Let's
Remember
see.
how good you are.
My pen is broken, my ink is dry, but my love for you will never die.
From back in the days. From back in the days.
Apple to apple, plum to plum. What is a kiss without your tongue?
Yeah. That's for sure.
Okay.
You are the ackee in my saltfish. You are the condensed milk in my tea. Without you, there is no me.
Yep.
Roses are red, violets are blue. Sugar is sweet, but not as sweet as you.
No sugar is sweet like chocolate. No sugar is sweet like my chocolate.
Thank you.
Yeah, that's some old school note to that.
Back
You
in
know
the
these young kids these days, they don't use them type of a verse no more at all, the type of lyrics. Lyrics. Yeah, man.
Alright, so what we want to know?
What?
We'll have you ladies seated,
Okay.
and then we're gonna serve you.
Oh,
We got a 3-course meal for you guys.
yes!
For you ladies.
Fried chicken! Me smell onion.
Well, we're not gonna say, you know.
Me
don't
smell
say it.
onion.
It's a surprise.
Yeah, it's a
All
surprise.
right, well,
It's a surprise.
I'm ready because I'm starving.
All right.
I'm back.
Mm?
Yeah. Yeah.
Hello, we're hungry. Where's the food?
Yeah, who's watching us?
all
Who's
day.
watching?
Right.
Yes, no.
Oh,
It's
Appetizer.
here.
Waiter's here.
What? Okay.
There you go, my dear.
Thank you.
This is some.
Here you go.
You have a spoon already, man?
Yes, I do,
Okay.
sir.
Well,
Thank
So what you have here
you.
is some authentic Jamaican cup and people don't be smart either. We got some cup and pumpkin noodle.
What? Cock
fucking pumpkin
Cock
noodle.
and pumpkin noodle.
Cock and pumpkin. Cock and pumpkin noodle.
Chocolate.
Yeah, try to say it.
Behave yourself.
I am.
You have some cock soup.
Cock soup
Okay, so
and some pumpkin soup. Mixed together.
Our noodle soup.
Enjoy.
We have some noodle soup.
alright, so I'm gonna show people
Enjoy.
in
Bon
that plate.
appetit.
Oh, in that plate still. Hold on there, people. I'm gonna show now what soup look like. Wait there. Let me turn it around. See there? Soup. Let me see. Yeah. It's just broth, it looks like.
Yes.
Yes.
It's just
Broth.
broth.
Noodles in
Yeah, just
Enjoy.
just
We'll be back.
broth. And
Enjoy.
I like
Okay.
soup like let me
And no
and
dumpling yam.
just water.
May it interest you ladies in some fine music?
It is good. Huh?
Yes, that would be nice.
Yeah. It is good. But we're ready for the real
Ready for the real food.
Mm-hmm. We're ready for the real food.
Ready for the main dish.
We're ready for your main course. A curry goat, or a oxtail, or a red snapper,
chicken.
yeah, or a red snapper fish. Ooh, lots. Nice.
All that I own, you've been so good to me.
If this were
If this were my
take it.
And I'll take it.
Put it in.
I give you anything.
Thank you. Thank you.
Welcome.
No problem.
Ooh, welcome. Yes, people.
Oh, what we have to get?
I'll quit.
With this.
No, sir. We're not office this. We're not office this. No, sir. We have to show people them this. No, sir.
Watch yourself coming in.
Yeah.
No, sir. Put it down here to show them. We can't wait to show them what we get.
Okay.
No, sir. Bully beef. Tin mackerel and dumpling. Bully beef.
There is the there.
Corned beef and dumpling. Bully beef and
Hello, it's
Dirty
not,
girl and
it's
dumpling.
not just any dumpling.
It's not a
cartwheel
It's
dumpling.
cartwheel dumpling.
Oh, excuse us.
It's cartwheel dumpling.
So there you go. You have your snapper, and you
Snap
have
and a snapper.
and you have your steak.
Yeah.
Sorry, guys.
T-bone steak, but we deboned it.
Alright, Dirty Girl and Gilbert.
Tin mackerel. What we cooking?
Dirty Girl
Tin
and
mackerel.
Gilbert.
Bon appetit!
And dumpling. Look at the dumpling how they big.
You guys are most welcome.
Hot dumpling. Tin mackerel and but I can't wait for jump tonight.
Enjoy.
Where pepper sauce?
Coming up.
Where the pepper sauce come?
Oh, gosh.
Man, all I want more say.
And some big dumpling.
No, you don't really see dumpling? Look at it.
Huge.
Look at this. Answer. Dumpling. A dumpling and tin mackerel. Dirty girl.
Are you ladies ready for the drinks?
We are ready for drinks. What do you have?
Okay, it's a surprise. You will see.
Surprise.
Yeah.
Drinks is
What kind of dessert is a surprise?
Let us make it from scratch like some fruit juice. You know? Blend it up and that's why blend it up.
Maybe that's what.
Maybe some fruit juice like some strawberry and
The mango and
mango and stuff like that. Yeah. That will go good with this. No, please don't cry! Oh my God! I'm just trying to let you. Hold on now. No! This can't be real.
What do you have here?
But,
It's a nice,
for the area.
nice, authentic sky juice.
Thank you.
Yeah.
You see, all the old school people are so listening.
Oh, like Jamaica.
Hey,
oh my
this,
God.
Like juice.
this one comes straight from the juice man.
Yeah. Shea rice and everything.
Great
Here
juice.
you go.
Sky juice.
I'm not going to hold this one time and eat.
That is the purpose of these glass.
It tastes good too.
When they are inspired in the food.
Come on, when you're saying just brush it on the glass then.
This tastes good.
Sky
Cheers, guys. Yeah, I know what that drink is.
Enjoy.
Enjoy.
We're not going to start making this anymore.
More often.
This tastes good, man. You remind me of suck too.
The strawberry pineapple flavor.
You remind me of suck.
Man.
Okay.
Right. Yeah, how's the food? How's the food?
Food is
It's
delicious.
good. It's okay?
Delicious, yeah.
Okay.
Surprise.
And manage it.
Yes, Marty, that's a surprise.
That's okay, just,
Oh
you know.
my God.
Enjoy.
Real Jamaican style.
Enjoy the cartwheel.
Yes, Sky juice. You know from when we not have one of this? From your picnic. If you're just joining us, we got tin mackerel.
Special song for the lovely ladies. This one is for chocolate and vanilla.
I found love in you. And I've learned to love me too. Never have I felt that I could be all that you see. It's like our hearts have intertwined into the perfect harmony. This is why I love you.
You okay, ladies?
Yes.
This is
Everything
why
good. I'm
I
finished.
love you.
Yeah, I can't.
Because
You ready for some dessert?
Yeah.
No problem.
Thank you.
you
Thank you.
No problem.
So we have the dessert coming up shortly.
Okay.
Take the dessert plate from
This is why I love you. Because you love me. You love me.
Man. Oh, that's good. That's good. That's good. Wanting mackerel and come and Jamaica and sky juice. No, what do I want? I want a rundown. I want to season Tankani. You never eat Tankani? They ever make you season up with coconut milk.
Ladies, dessert is here.
Oh wow, what is this? What is this? What is this? I have to show my people what this is. What is
Dessert
this?
is
Let's
here.
see.
Dessert.
Oh, that's on me, not on me.
Okay.
Whoa.
So here's what we have at dessert. We have some Jamaican rum and rice.
Cameron, wow. This
Wait.
is sour.
So what?
Ah,
That's why y'all make this out.
woo. Boy. It's all in the high run water. Many ice cream this week. Yes. This is beautiful. This is so nice. You guys are so amazing.
That's what we do.
Amazing.
They really went all
That's it.
out. Yes, Marley the solo.
Must be foreign man. Remember it's a sour. They always been sour. The ice cream is the bomb. The sour, this other. Remember this. Remember me. Cameron, wow. This
Wait.
is sour.
So what?
Ah,
That's why y'all make this out.
woo. Boy. It's all in the high run water. Many ice cream this week. Yes. This is beautiful. This is so nice. You guys are so amazing.
That's what we do.
Amazing.
They really went all
That's it.
out. Yes, Marley the solo.
Must be foreign man. Remember it's a sour. They always been sour. The ice cream is the bomb. The sour, this other. Remember this. Remember me. I want ice cream. Yeah, Molly. You love Roman raising tamale.
Marshall.
Oh, Marsha is.
There.
Mm.
We'll share.
Oh, it's Marsha. What's up, Marsha? What's up? cream. Oh, I love lemon raisin.
You're really gonna love getting extra.
Masha in the fridge, they get junk.
Find out more today.
In Masha, in the fridge, they get junk. She's here climbing everything. Aww. Oh, I missed her. I haven't seen her in a while. Such a cutie. Masha said no. She's afraid to get drunk. I miss you guys.
Man, you told me I'm supposed to eat, so I don't feel bad.
I'm so full.
I don't want to feel bad.
But they're not feel bad. They're from the floor. All the feel bad kind of food. Where that come from?
That was personal. Everybody, the sister we can cook.
Yeah. Do everything properly.
Thank you.
So guess what? Wrap it up. You guys have to take a shot with us.
Oh, yes. I shot go for it.
The grand finale.
The grand finale.
One
One shot. All right,
One
let's do
beer,
it. Let's
one
do
beer.
it.
Choo.
One shot. One bourbon. One beer. Choo. Let's do
Shots
it.
coming up, ladies. All right.
Ready.
The glass.
I already have. Oh, this is yours.
Yes.
Okay. Lime. Lime.
Salt.
Salt. You got a salt? Okay.
much salt, ladies.
I know a lot of salt come out from my hand. Never expect
All right.
some. Too much. This is fine. This is good. Shot lick. Okay. So it's shot.
Here's the salt.
It's shot, lick,
Suck.
suck. Take your mind out the gutter. Take your minds out the gutter. It's shot, lick, and then suck.
I'm sorry.
So ready?
Come with this.
Ready. On the ready? Ready.
Are they
Okay,
ready?
here we go.
Are they ready?
Ready? Oh, that camera's on?
Uh-huh. So shot.
I do not get set, go.
Yeah.
Yes.
Woo! Ah!
Woo!
Man! I love you.
That was good.
Love you.
Man.
Thank
They're
you.
trying to get us drunk.
Come on, buddy. The bullshit is this.
That was good.
All right, you gotta say thank you to your husband.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank
See,
you
we
guys.
did it. We promised you a fantastic meal for these two beautiful ladies, and we delivered.
Yes, they did.
Yes,
We
they
delivered.
did.
We enjoyed
Every minute of it. Yeah, we
But-
did.
Yep.
Thank you guys for tuning in. Don't forget
Thank you
to
for watching.
share and make sure
We
if
did
you don't
it.
follow, you follow
Yes.
us.
Don't
Tell
forget
friends
to
about
tell
us.
everybody about
and
us.
Chef Mike,
That's right.
you did it.
Cheers to you
That's
guys.
what we do.
Cheers.
That's what we do.